Hi guys, this video is dedicated on how to install a signature for Outlook on Mac. Before we get started, please make sure that you are using either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox browsers because others might have glitches and errors in terms of copying the signatures that you've created. And once we've made sure that we are using the correct browsers, we are ready to go to MySignature.io, which is our website. And here you will see all the signatures that you've created so far. On the preview of the signature that you want to work with, on the bottom left, there is an install button that we need to click. And here we can see and choose all the email providers that we want to work with. In our case, that is Outlook. And on the right, there will be the signature preview that you can double check and make sure that everything works smoothly for you. In our case, we are working with Mac, Outlook, and we are ready to copy our signature to Clipboard. There will be a successful pop-up window on the top right. And then we are ready to go to actual Microsoft Outlook on Mac application. We need to start a new email, and after that on the top right there will be signature button that we need to click, and then we go to manage signatures. Here we need to create a new one just by clicking the plus icon, and we are ready to rename our signature. In my case, I just want to be new, and then we need to delete everything that's been there and then paste what we copied to the clipboard beforehand. Then there will be this little icon that we need to click on the arrow and then have the settings for keep source formatting. Once it's done, we are ready to click save, close this window and go back to the initial settings window. Here we need to change the settings of new messages to new. I also want this signature to appear for replies and forwards. Once it's done, we are ready to close this window, start a new email, and see that our signature is already installed within all the emails that we are going to compose. I really hope this works for you. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team. They will be always there to make your experience as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye guys.